Hi, in this presentation I'm going to talk about two high performance cars. The Tesla Model 3 compared to the Corvette ZO6. What you're looking at now is a four-door Tesla Model 3, the performance version of the Tesla Model 3. Its 0 to 60 time is right at 3.2 seconds. The base price of this car, of this performance model, is $50,815. The Corvette ZO6 is over $80,000. So right out of the gate, you're spending over $30,000 more for the Corvette ZO6, which is nowhere near as functional as a Tesla Model 3. It only holds two people. The Tesla Model 3 will hold four full-size adults very comfortably, and you have lots of storage space. Because the car has no engine, there's a storage area or trunk area between the front wheels, and there's a trunk area behind the rear wheels. So you have lots and lots of storage area in the Model 3. And it fits four full-size adults very comfortably. And it's $30,000 less than the Corvette ZO6. Now, as far as 0 to 60 time, the Tesla Performance Model 3 goes from 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. The Corvette ZO6, depending upon what your sources are, is anywhere from 2.9 to 3.2 seconds. So it's about the same performance in 0 to 60. Chevrolet claims 2.9 seconds, I believe. Now, what you're looking at now is a photograph of a Tesla Model 3. And you look at the front of the car, there's no need for a radiator. The car's design is based only on handling and only on airflow around the car to keep the car steady on the street. Now the Corvette, on the other hand, needs a radiator because it has to suck in air to cool all that wasted heat, which is all that wasted energy, which is nothing more than heat. And all that air has to go in behind. That air has to flow in behind all of the equipment that's behind that radiator, and that hurts efficiency. So it's going to cost, you're going to be sucking lots of gas to get this car to go miles, drive this car on the highway. You're going to be sucking a lot of gas. You got to fight a lot of drag on that radiator. Not true with the Tesla. The Tesla Model 3 does not need a radiator. It doesn't have to keep its mouth open to suck air in. The only design that I can see, the only reason that they designed the Tesla the way it is for airflow over and around the car, not through the car. The car doesn't have to gulp air in order to keep moving forward. So they have freedom of design as far as form and functionality goes, and they don't have to cool down for wasted energy like gasoline powered vehicles do. And that's it. So, in a nutshell, I'll say the Tesla Model 3 is by far the better performance car compared to a Corvette or any other gasoline-powered vehicle. You're getting, when I compare the Corvette specifically to the Tesla Model 3, you're getting faster 0 to 60 time for $30,000 less. And it's going to cost you, for each mile you drive a Corvette, you can drive the Tesla Model 3 for pennies on the dollar per mile. And that's it. Thank you for watching.